Olivia is 3 years old. She has long, curly, dark brown hair. Today is a very special day. She is getting her very first haircut. Olivia and her mom go to a bright, cheerful hair salon. There are comfy chairs, big mirrors, and friendly people all around. Olivia is feeling a little curious and a little nervous too, but that's okay. First, the hairstylist smiles and says, "Hi, Olivia. Ready for your haircut?" Olivia nods. The hairstylist gently leads her to a special chair by the sink. "We're going to wash your hair first," she says kindly. Olivia leans her head back carefully into the sink. The water is warm, and the hairstylist gently massages shampoo into her curls. It tickles a little. Olivia giggles. Then she rinses it all out and pats her hair dry with a soft towel. Next, Olivia walks over to the big haircutting chair. She climbs up and sits tall. The hairstylist puts a special cape around her shoulders to keep hair off her clothes. It feels smooth and kind of fun. Now it's time for the haircut. The hairstylist holds her scissors and says, "Just sit very still like a statue." Olivia stays as still as she can while her hair is snipped. Snip, snip, snip. When she's all done, Olivia looks in the big mirror. Her hair looks clean, fresh, and even more beautiful than before. She feels proud and happy. The hairstylist gives Olivia a big smile and a colorful sticker. Olivia even gets a red cherry sucker for doing such a great job. Olivia did it. She was so brave for her first haircut. And now she looks like a big kid with her brand new hairstyle.